What are you doing?
Win! This thing is so powerful. Oh, feels so good. Oh, can't believe I paid for this shit. Day 1, ladies and gents. It's Thursday, the 8th of May. It's 7:57. I'm absolutely wrecked. Just woke up, have a little coffee on deck here. Give me a little taste test. Yeah, not great. One of them little sachet oaks just from the room. Plan today, we are going to spend a night with the elephants. The Orchid Elephant Sanctuary. They have 4 huts, I think, in total in the sanctuary, and you can stay in a hut, like, so don't really know what to expect. Would probably rather stay in a hotel if I'm honest with you, and then visit and then come back, but hey ho, I am sleeping with the elephants, baby. So like that, I've no idea what to expect, so I suppose we'll find out together. So listen, let's do this. Need to get actually sun cream, and I also need to get more mosquito spray. I'd say there's going to be even more mosquitoes and flies and shit here, so probably thinking back now, probably wasn't one of my best ideas, but here, listen, it is what it is. So cut to me pulling up outside the elephant sanctuary, ladies and gents. Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived, the Chala Orchard, and I can confirm you, I am in the middle of absolutely fucking nowhere. Random dog, but look at this. So literally pull up right in a taxi. I'm not sure whether you can see that, like, there's elephants just strolling around. Right, let me check in and I'll show you the lodge, show you where we're staying. Right, so instead of going straight to the bungalows, check them out, we're actually going straight trekking, seeing the elephants and all. So I actually need to get some sun cream. Thank you, boss. Sun cream, all over. And we were hoping that we kind of could get it and then like do all the stuff. But apparently it's like straight in, no messing. So as soon as I heard, like, oh, trekking. So anyways, on the moped. Stick the L feet up. So on the way to get some cream. So the shop's like a 10-minute drive. I wasn't joking about being in the middle of absolutely nowhere. So let's go. So the orchard is literally just beside the village. It's like a tribe, and it's literally like little bungalows they all live in. It's mental. Look. No 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven.
This 7-Eleven, is it? I don't think so. Close enough. This is mental. Sun cream. Sunscreen. I call it sun cream. It's actually sunscreen, isn't it? No, that's not sun cream. No, that's something to do with nose. This is a shop. Mental. Hey. No, that's not. That's. No, that's not sunscreen. No, that's like shampoo or something. No. Maybe we can ask someone who's there, who's staying as well to maybe. Thank you. Yeah, back on the Betsy. Right, another shop. Or we can maybe ask someone who's staying as well, who's like a visitor. They might have some spare sunscreen. Like a guest. They might have.
We go to see another.
Yeah. Maybe you think, boss. Yeah, you're the boss. Your world, we're just living in it. Right, another shop. Just noticed as well. Not a mirror in sight on the bike. Another shop. Bike. It's okay. Kind of better shop. Right, now look. So we're just gonna ask one of the other guests who's staying. They'll have some, just a little bit. Maybe leave the old top on as well. The elephant sanctuary. Right, so it's currently 20 past 10. We've just been informed that the hike to the waterfall is 2 hours. So thank God it's not peak. But look at this. Little family of elephants. Little baby one.
You can touch.
Touch.
You can touch. Yes.
Obviously you can't touch the baby one because probably the big ones might get dead.
Yeah.
It's like how close. Look at the eyes. Deadly. So the 2 hour hike starts now. Starts now, yeah? Now?
Yeah.
This is when it starts the hike, yes?
Yeah.
Ooh. This is kind of what it looks like. Fair play to him, he's carrying like a thing on his back with like an axe for chopping wood and food for the elephants, I think, and stuff. The weight of it, like, it's heavy enough. I tried to pick it up, so fair play to him. But he just says he does that every single day. He's wearing sliders as well, so he's gonna just rocking the Crocs. He said to throw on a pair of runners. Well, I have these bad boys in sport mode, so we're all good. Yeah, this is kind of the start of the hike. It's beautiful. So, yeah, if it's just going to be like this for 2 hours, not point in showing you, but there's anything cool, exciting along the way, we'll try to record it. If not, cut to me at the waterfall, ladies and gents.
Somebody have the baby.
Yeah.
They cut the dizzy, yeah.
Dizzy, yeah. They put this on the head.
Yeah.
So this is Karen medicine.
Yeah.
So Karen is like the tribe where we're staying. So what's the name of this plant?
Popala.
Popala.
Yeah.
It looks like weed. Smells like weed. It must be weed. So yeah, if you get like car sick, you put it on your head. On my chopper. On my chopper. On my chopper. That's hello in Karen.
Some water.
Yeah.
Some water.
So hello on my chopper is hello in Karen. So that's the tribe language. Oh my chopper. So just chilling here. Little break. On the war. And cutting up. I'm all for it. Little hot That's in the mango.
Cat lady. When I was
Oh,
traveling
trying with mango.
through COVID, and she asked me
Scott.
supposed to wash my
Karen
cats
says
after
Scott.
them. And she's like, I'm keeping them. I was like,
Yeah.
oh, okay.
Put this in.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. Good. Very good. Good. No?
Kinda.
This one.
Roddy. What
Oh,
is
yeah.
it? Is it salt?
Oh, I don't know.
We use this one for the
Is it
cooking.
spicy?
Okay, not spicy. Not spicy.
No.
Tastes like an oxo cube.
Do you want to try?
I'm okay, thanks.
So we have acquired 2 new members to the squad. 2 dogs now, yeah? 2 dogs. One, two.
The village dog.
The village dog.
Yeah, the village dog.
That's why I said he was one. It's turning into a real wolf pack now, isn't it? Good pack. Good pack.
Good pass.
Me, you, 2 dogs.
Yeah.
Us against the world. Wow. So that's all rice fields.
Yeah.
So that's all the. Wow. Really beautiful. Steady. Look at the views though. So that's not you. That's not your rice field, is it?
No, not my
No.
friend. My friend.
Ah, your friend.
Yeah.
He also has rice
Me,
fields.
another friend.
Ah, yeah. Used to have a buffalo helping him on the rice field, but now machine. Now machine.
Yeah. Before buffalo. Now buffalo happy.
Now buffalo's happy. He relaxes, sleeps,
Yes.
eats,
Eating.
goes poo. Good life. It's a good life for the buffalo. Just walking along here. Look at the bananas. Oh yes, deadly. He's like, I was like, oh look, bananas. He's like, yeah, cool. So obviously he's just used to it, but that's deadly. But this is the view is what we're looking at. As I said, in the middle of absolutely nowhere here. Going to the waterfall, so.
I know in Spanish.
Count them. 1, 2, 3.
No.
What's that? Up, down, left,
East,
left.
east, green.
Ah!
Arriba.
You're good, you're good. So
So
this is the bridge, is it?
yes.
Lovely bridge.
You can hold the baby, yeah?
Yeah. So this is the bridge. Hold the bamboo. Loads of health and safety here. Something in my eye as well. Yeah, here's a little stream. Walk across. Oh, it's shaking. Well, I don't think I can get any more tribal if I try it. Fuck, literally in the middle of nowhere. This is like self-inflicted. Hello, Daddy. Hey.
Hey, my friend.
Stray. This way?
Yeah.
No signs. Fucking hell. Dog's just making it easy. Good boy, come on. Good boy. Good boy, come on. Good boy. Little pal me. Woo! We outside, baby. Wow, I'm sweating. Right, I'm gonna hike up this. We'll catch you at the waterfall, ladies and gents. Woo! Right, so first view of this waterfall. And it looks unbelievable. As you can see, I am absolutely sweating. So please get me in there as soon as possible. Right, so we're literally just gonna hike up around it and down to the waterfall. So next clip I should be in. We're in! Woo! Woo! Ah! Woo! 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 Ah! Woo! Woo! I don't know whether you can hear me, but this thing is so powerful. Oh, it feels so good! Woo! Woo! Oh, that was good. So, a little chill spot here. And then the waterfall is just there. Just there. There's your man. tour guide, I suppose. The fella, not a tour guide, he's a friend. We've connected. We are now brothers. Whoa, waterfall brothers. Oh, fuck me back. But what a great guy. What a great bloke, like. Just, it's so interesting. I didn't really record much. You obviously saw a bit of a clip there, but just to hear his backstory and like his life, it's so interesting how like different lives are like. But he was so interested as well, like my life, and I was showing him pictures from back home and stuff like. So it's yeah, I didn't want to take out the camera. I just felt it was personal, and I didn't want to, because he knew obviously I was vlogging and he knew I was recording, so I didn't want to take it out while he was kind of telling the story. And basically he's like 43. He only got this job like 6 months ago. But he's no education. He never went to school, so like he lived on a farm with his nanny and his granddad, and like just grew rice in the rice fields all day, and it's just mental. But I suppose that's different lives. But anyways, enough shit talk. Chilling here. Here's the waterfall. So now the hike back. I think then we're just spending some time with the elephant. So there's fuck all memory left in this camera. So I'm gonna end this here, and then next clip I should be back at the campsite, whatever, with the elephant. So cut to me. So yeah, next trip there should be something decent just on the way, and you can see the 7-Eleven. And this is what we're walking up. Some 7-Eleven. Just the Coke Zero, please. So just came to a second waterfall here. Well, I'm not getting in it, put me arse. No more thrown on a dry t-shirt after you're wet, no towel, so I'm just gonna chill here. Enjoy this Coke Zero, ladies and gents. Taking that view. So yeah, we're gonna go back to some hut place and he's gonna cook us soup or something, so can't say I'm looking forward to that, but let's give it a try. And then after that then see the elephants, and then I think the plan is we're gonna go back and they make food and all for us, so see what's in store. So chill here for a minute and then go back to see him cook and see what he cooks us. He's gonna make soup, so I'll show you what we're gonna be potentially trying to eat. Catch me hopefully seeing some beautiful soup. Yay. Right, so this is what we're working with here. Soup.
We had a squash, carrot, mushrooms, lemongrass, rabbit, kalanka, turmeric.
Right, so this is what we're working with. This is how we're cooking it. So a little fire going. There are chicken skewers, and I think the soup is actually in them bamboo things as well. So yeah, let's see what the final product looks like. But whether I'm gonna enjoy it or not is a different thing. But we are here for it. We're here for it. So the bamboo things. And the other one. So the soup is in the bamboo. And then like so. Yeah, soup. Exciting times. Never gonna complain about food again. Just showing you this as well. I actually didn't really see what was inside, so, or not what was inside, but I didn't really pay attention to what they are. But obviously, little house is like mental. Yeah, here's the bridge here. Just gonna nip the toilet. The bridge we've crossed. Just like that. I don't know if people are living there right up somewhere. Yeah, it looks like houses. Interesting. place. Right, ladies and gents, here's the toilets. Oh, I'm trying my best to not step anywhere here. Basically, this is what we're working with. Oh, I'm assuming that's the urinal. Well, I hope, because I just went in it. Yeah, it must be. Yeah. Well, maybe that. Nope. Something in there. Yeah. There's toilets. Is what it is. It's fucking mental. Right, so here's the soup. Don't really know what it looks like. It's a scrap of a monster, but look, it is what it is. The chicken skewers, I'm so paranoid about getting food poison, so I'm just going to cut them up smaller. Cut them in the middle bar. The chicken done as well. Where's the chicken? Chicken? Over there. And here's the chicken. What are we saying? So funny, right? He was cooking it, and like, oh, I can't believe I paid for this shit. Basically, he was cooking it, like, right, and say a fly was like landing on it, and I was like getting away, like, but he kept looking at me as if there was something wrong with me, and I was like, he was like, it's only a fly. I was like, I don't want the fly landing on my food. So we have watermelon. Do you want a drink? Do you want a Coke Zero?
It's like something weird.
Yes.
Thank you.
Coke Zero or normal Coke or Fanta Strawberry? What do you want? Fanta Strawberry. There's no Fanta Orange down there. So Fanta Strawberry.
Yeah, fantastic.
Okay. No bother, boss. Don't think I've ever tried Fanta Strawberry. Wouldn't mind it myself. Right, time to get the boss a drink. Yeah, give you a little taste test probably. Not sure whether I showed this, but that's the shop. Yeah, I did actually start 7-Eleven. Here's the fridge. Fanta Strawberry, isn't it? Hello. Just one more can of Fanta. 40 bahts. Can grab. Right, I'll show you when this food arrives. I'll do a little taste test. So this is a bit of a fruit. So it looks like I don't really. It doesn't look edible.
You try, my friend.
Are you sure?
Yes.
A fruit?
Yes, but you don't eat the seed.
Where's the seed?
Inside. Why one? You see inside, not eat.
Eat the green yolk? Yeah.
No. This was skin, my friend.
So what dish out here, yeah?
Yeah. You eat for the white.
You got?
Yeah. Try. Good? You never try?
No, never. Never heard of it. Never mind try it.
One number one fruit Thailand.
This one here? It's a mango stream. So that's the #1 fruit in Thailand.
Yes.
Doesn't look great. So what am I eating here?
You can eat it.
That one.
Try. I never know, my friend.
Oh, fair enough.
Never drink, never drunk.
Ah, now we're talking. Now we're talking, baby. So you eat like this, yeah?
Huh?
Take this out like this. Or just bite.
You buy it, yeah. You buy it, you try. I cannot show you, my friend. I cannot show you.
Oh, Jesus. Hit the spot. It's actually alright.
So.
It's fucking fine, it's comical. He says watermelon. So I know what watermelon tastes like.
1 kilo, 80 baht.
80 bahts?
Yeah, very expensive.
1 kilo is like 80 bahts, so.
Yeah. This one.
Oh, yeah.
You eat already?
Yeah.
You like it?
Right, so we have fried rice in here, so let's see. Open this, yeah? Open?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Yes.
Why right we ate?
It's a present, it's a present. Oh! Right, that looks decent.
How we eat.
Thank you.
That.
This is what we're working with. For the rice.
Bamboo
Rice,
spoon.
yeah.
Bamboo spoon. Mana di lock?
Health and safety gone out the window. Might bless myself before I eat this. Taste test. Then chicken. Okay, it looks white. Smells alright. Be alright. Right, cut the next sip when we are down at the elephants. Just on the way back there, right? So this is the bridge we're on. But that was the last bridge, and then there's the first bridge. So every year, obviously, the floods and stuff, and it gets knocked down, build a new one. Basically, this is what we're working with here. Right, so just 5 minutes to the top. Well, here's what we're dealing with. Hear the thunder in the background. So, absolutely fucked. Basically, the plan now is to go to the elephant camp, play with the elephants, see what the crack is, and then might have time to do the bamboo rafting. Just need to catch a flight to Vietnam tomorrow. Our flight's at 1 PM, so we need to be here for 11. Me and him need to leave here like 9:30, so it's gonna be tight tomorrow. So what he says is like, instead of doing tomorrow morning, he'll see if we can do it after the elephants, see what the crack is. If not, just it is what it is, you know. I don't mind missing out on it either. Look at these views. Fucking hell. Hopefully the camera's doing it justice. It's mental. So free, man. Just fucking feels good. So that's the plan. So elephants, if we've time, bamboo rafting. So 5 minutes towards the end here. Hey, taxis collect us, pickup truck, whatever you want to call it, just picking us up now. 5 minutes. So walk to the top, another few more minutes, hike, jump in the car, straight to the elephants. Right, and just like that, we are here. So it's the Karen Hill Tribe. It's mental. Like if you look over here, it's just buffaloes, water buffaloes. But I don't know if I fancy going over. Proper. Can I go over to the buffaloes? Can you walk over? How far? Stop here. Here? Look at this. Here, stop here. They're all just fucking pissing their head off. Look at this. So yeah, this is what we're working with. Honestly, I've no idea what's going on today. I'm just rolling with it. I'm here for it. But like, fact is, the buffalo just here. Stop here. I'm asking gonna walk up and just like, yeah. I don't get too close. Don't fancy them horns. Hear me? What a vibe though. Thank you. Can I pet the buffalo? He's like, can I pet it? Like, yeah. In the distance. Just an elephant there, walking around. What a vibe though. What a vibe. Thank you. Can you ride a buffalo? Can you get on top? Is that ethical?
No, go again, go again.
Okay, go again. Ready? Let's go. Beautiful. When I was saying that they're kind of roaming around, that's kind of what I meant. Buffaloes there, and then elephants just there. Very, very cool. Like, surely the buffalo can just run up to me. Like, I'm literally here. It's mental. Big football. 1, 2, 3, 4. Little baby elephant there.
Sorry.
Oh, what are you doing? You want to make it? Oh, what are you doing? Oh, what are you doing? You want to try the medicine? No, no more for the big one. No more. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, and then I'm gonna. You say bon.
Bon! Look at the size of this.
One. Okay. You show her. You say bon bon. Closer, closer, closer. You don't miss the guy. He's okay.
Stick.
Yes.
Ready to take the GoPro.
You hold like this, listen. You hold like this, you don't hold in the middle, okay? Like this? Be careful, elephant. Hold your hand.
So like this?
Yes.
Maybe.
Feed them like this, I show you.
Okay, okay, show me.
Okay, watch your hand again.
One by one.
Watch it, yeah, what you did?
So good.
Watch it. One, you say one. By one. Do you want to put in the mouth? Then one. One by one. Bon, I'm gonna show you. Bon.
Erica,
Bon.
stay in the middle.
Oh, okay.
You put down the foot.
Oh.
You put down the foot.
I just think it's so cool how it's like size that legs. Oh. That's so cool. So hard to comprehend how big they actually are. So here's the little baby elephant here.
Hello.
Oh shit.
That's like double the time.
Tara!
Tara.
Tara! No, not you. Not you. You're not Tara. Okay.
The big one, 35.
Little stroll with the elephants. Mental. Just strange how cool it is just to stroll around with them. Oi, a casual bat with the elephant. Feels mad. You're on weird shit I'm standing on. It's definitely elephant shit. Apparently he's gonna just grab this GoPro. On.
Bonnet. Go.
I think that bon means thank you. Or
Bon.
do kind of nods his head.
Bon.
Ah, holy shit. There's a little baby elephant there. Sent me flying earlier. Strength of the little thing. Right, that's the bed. It's done. Here's the elephants coming down. Holy shit. It's hard to comprehend like how big they are. I know I've said that in the earlier clip, but hopefully the old video is doing it justice. That's a better view. Right, back with the elephants, done. I think we're going back to the hotel now. So we've checked in, but we haven't been to the lodge because we're straight out for the hikes and the elephant stuff. So right, update. So basically, after the bath with the elephants, the fella who was kind of looking after us was like, the rest of the group are kind of going to like a skincare thing for the elephants where they rub like mud on them, or tomorrow morning they do this bamboo rafting. So he was like, do you want to just do the bamboo rafting now, and then tomorrow you can just get up, the elephants come to the hut, so the elephants actually come up to where you're staying and then go straight to the airport. So it's like bingo, sounds good. So we are going straight to the bamboo rafting, so catch me maybe on a bamboo raft, ladies and gents. So we've just pulled up to the accommodation here, so we're just going to throw the bags in, go into the room, and then we have the rafting at 5:30. It's currently 4:40, 4:45, so 45 minutes, but little queue seating area here. Look at that view though, that's fucking beautiful. Little swing, and then they're all little huts, and then they overlook that. Small huts down there. We're bungalow or hut 4, so he's just dropping something in, helping a girl with her suitcase, then he's gonna come up grab me, so I will show you what the room looks like when he's back. Right, shit show alert. I actually thought we were going to the room first, we're actually going to the bamboo rafting straight, and then we're gonna come back and go to the room. So en route to the bamboo rafting. Put to me potentially sitting on a raft. 3, 2, 1. And just like that, we're on the raft. No! No good, no good. No, no. Don't know if they're just random blokes in the river or what, but fuckers absolutely soaked. Other than that, it's quite peaceful.
Oh, it's so peaceful.
Maybe I'll go left. Just like that, we are finito. That was a really cool experience. So, on the way back to the hut, hopefully we'll show you next clip, me doing a little room tour of the hut. Right, we are back. So, from the outside, this is what we are looking like. And stepping through, once again, another shit review coming up. Bed. Me fan, me biggest fan. Little bathroom. Like so. This is really class. This is deadly. Little view, balcony shot. So yeah, that's it. I think that room tour was decent. Besides that, absolutely wrecked. Gonna get a shower. We're literally just going for a little restaurant up where we're staying. So it's like a group lunch thing, or dinner thing. So besides that, that's everything. Elephant Sanctuary done.